Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to record your voice and customize it with different styles and genres using the voice mod. This is perfect for TikTok or Reels. Let's get started. First, launch the voice mod app on your PC or laptop. Then here, make sure that your microphone is connected and selected in the settings. Then go to the voice recorder or the voice changer section in the top right. Then tap record and say your lines or sing your lyrics. Then here you can choose and customize your voice style. After recording, browse through different voice styles and preview each effect. You can adjust the pitch, reverb, or filters to match the vibe you want. Then pair your voice style with music, background, or genre filter. Then you can now save your customized audio and import it to your TikTok or Reel editor. And that's how to give your content as a professional sound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.